Hello, this is Dan, the furniture repairman. Today I'm going to show you a technique I use to cut very thin strips of wood. This is a piece of molding I need to replicate for a repair, and I really just need that little bit of quarter round on the edge. I made this with my router, but if I run it through the table saw as is, it's just going to get torn apart. So what I do is I raise the blade up almost all the way, but I leave it about a strong 16th scant of coming through. And you can see you don't see the blade coming through the top of the piece. I'm going to use this stick to protect my fingers. I don't want to be a mamaluca and go sticking my hand in the blade because you can't see the blade. It's not coming through. And a lot of times I leave the stick long so I don't have to get real close to it. I don't even have to use a push stick. I just cut off the end. And here's what I got. This is beautiful to me. All I got is that little bit of wood right there to get rid of. So I take my trusty utility knife. I run it down the groove. I give it a little bit of sanding, bing, bang, boom, job complete. I can cut it to the right size, install it in my piece, color it to match. Everything is done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you out. You all have a good day now.